Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet Envy from inside out. This video is part 2. For the body of Envy, please refer to the previous video. I will place the link in the description below. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, pair of scissors, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle, and a forceps for stuffing. Let's start crochet the hand. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then make a chain to start the next round. In round 1, do 6 single crochet. In round 2, alternating between turquoise and purple yarn in this round. Pick the purple yarn, yarn over, and pull through the loop from the hook and make a chain. Insert the hook into 2 loops, switch to the turquoise yarn, yarn under, and pull through both loops. Switch back to the purple yarn, yarn over, and pull through the loop on the hook. Repeat this step until the end of the round. Then you have a flat line on your color changing. In the following round, use purple yarn to continue crocheting until round 8. Make another hand with the same pattern. After it, use white yarn to sew some dot pattern on the part of sleeve. Let's start crocheting the hair. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch, and then make a chain to start the next round. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 12 stitches. In round 2, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times, total 18 stitches. Next, we're going to make the first hair strand. Make 17 chains. Skip 2 chain and start crochet from the 3rd chain. Insert the hook into the back bump of the chain. Do 2 double cluster. Repeat this 4 times. Do 1 half double crochet. Do 10 single crochet. When you finish the hair strand, make a slip stitch in round 2. Repeat this pattern 1 more times. For the following hair strands, follow the written pattern. Next, we crochet the eyebrown. Start with 4 chains. then skip the first stitch, and sew 3 slip stitch on the next 3 chain. Crochet in back bump of the chain. Make 1 pair of it. Combine the hair with the head, using pins to arrange and hold the hair. Once you're satisfied with the hair's position, you can either sew it onto the head or use glue to stick it in place. Combine the hand with the body and sew the eyebrown above the eye. Use pink yarn sew on both sides of the hair strand. Here, the envy of the inside out is done. Thanks for joining me today. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more crafting tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.